Florida. It's a little weird.
Yeah, it's a little something, right? Where the palm trees at? Where the people at?
Honestly, one beach.
Yeah.
Honestly, one person, no bikini. What's wrong with this place, man?
I'm doing random
I just
video.
burps.
Burps? Why are you burping?
I don't know, bro.
That's disgusting, bro.
We're
You
at
burped on
McDonald's
me.
right now. Put the camera back on. We're at McDonald's right now.
It is on.
We're in Louisville, right? Louisville, Kentucky. It's awful.
Louisville.
Don't come here ever.
Ever.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Okay. But anyways, what's going on, you guys? Kid behind the camera here. Bitch, you listen.
Hey, kid behind the camera.
Yeah.
A little bit different.
Okay, but anyways,
that's the life of Matthew right there.
Yes. It's
In his natural environment
and,
of Kentucky.
Yeah, I'm in Kentucky. I don't even live in the city though, so
You know.
I need to get out of here.
He does not live here. I don't live here. I don't live here. Oh. Boom. Boom, I can flip the screen. I can, boom, I see myself. Boom, I don't see myself. Boom, I see myself. We're leaving. We're heading out. That. Where is it? Got Spider-Man shirt on. Oh, he's running. Cars is running.
And he's down there.
Cars is. This man Carson's crazy. Wait, I can flip the screen. And wait, boom, I can see myself. Boom. This man's beating up a baby. We gotta call Peter. I'm for Fortnite. But guess what? Matt, guess what? Fortnite's done. Guess what?
What?
We gotta go. We gotta go soon.
Where are we going? Go.
Tennessee. We're going to Tennessee. Ladies and gentlemen, Nashville, Tennessee. Meet me there right now. This video is live.
Let's see. Lion King. Opinions. What do you
Garbage.
Garbage.
Yes.
I thought it was pretty good.
It's trash.
𝐴𝐶 by the title. I don't know. I need to delete stuff on this camera.
Hey, you don't have any space.
No space.
This man's taking pictures of rocks.
Rocks.
Taking a picture of a rock.
A rock.
It's one single rock.
The wing.
But like he
It
took
was a
30
huge
times.
rock.
Huh?
It was a huge rock. There was no little tiny pebble on the street.
This man took a picture of a sign.
Yeah.
A sign in a fence. It's not even. It's crazy. Yeah?
Carson over there.
Really?
I'm in this bag right here.
Whoa, what's that? Little mountains. Little mountains, boy. We're not in Florida anymore.
Oh, that's not relish.
You need to get a plate.
Yeah, you need to get a plate. It's thunder. We're gonna eat. Carson.
We're live, baby. Live house, Jack. Where we at? Kodak Park. I'm gonna call it Kodak Park. So Kodak, come here, get your part, and where we at? Location-wise.
Evansville.
Still in Evansville. Still in Evansville. At Kodak Park.
Evansville, Indiana. Okay.
Evansville,
Come
Indiana.
here. Don't come here. Depends if you want to or not.
Shoot.
We swam and yeah, back to James.
I've been on that slide way over there. Yeah, see that one I'm pointing at? I'll edit a video, but shoot, I've been on that one. You should have footage right now. If I got the footage, you'll see it. If you don't, you don't. Well, yeah. Shoot. Crazy. Look at my hair. Super long. Super long. Well, shoot, I'm gonna stop it before it gets too much video, too much memory, and I gotta delete some stuff. Bro, we at Trez's house. Look at this. Oh my god, he's trying to eat me. Bro, I've never seen that before.
Does it work?
Yeah, I got it cooked up and everything.
Yeah.
Low-key think it's fucking real. I'm
No,
about
it does.
Bro, I gotta try that out. I'm not gonna lie, I need to try that out. Bro, where's this dude going? Where is he going, bro?
Huh?
Bro, you...
to go up in the hair.
Premiere. That's pretty
crazy.
Alright, are you just live right now?
We're live, buddy.
Alright, what's up, guys? Sorry, man. Today, Holiday World, James, behind the camera right now. We got Holiday World pointer sign right there.
Holiday World, look at that thing.
This ain't no Florida no more. We ain't not in Florida.
We're not in
Holiday
Florida.
World in Splashes Park in Santa Claus, Indiana. It's James' first day out here. He ain't even know what's going on.
Oh,
We're
no,
gonna
they got
come
Santa
around.
Claus
We got
over
the
here.
Raging Rabbits in a minute.
Rabbits.
It's gonna be fun. He's scared. He's already shaking. Woo! Yeah, anyways, back to James. Okay?
So, we're out here. We got Tyler, Samantha. I bought their tickets because I'm big money. So, yeah.
You ain't gonna have no time.
Flip-flops. This man Matt's running. I don't even know where I'm going. This man Matt's running. This man Matt's running. The show. There's a ride with a cat and a hat and a mouse. Halloweeno. A ride called Halloweeno. I don't know if you can see it. I don't care. I can read. So shoot. So Matt, we just got on what ride? Raging Rapids.
Right there, actually. You can still see it. Yeah, that's it.
I'm soaking wet. Tyler's soaking wet. Samantha's soaking wet. Matt's soaking wet. We're all soaking wet.
But I'm black, so it's okay.
Doesn't matter. But it's hot.
It's black and expect more heat. So
Let me show you all my friend over here. Hillbilly Pete and the Crow. The voyage, free drinks. How does this work? How does this work?
You get the cup and you put it in.
What? Crazy, you hear that?
Now tell them, you better speak directly to Busch Gardens and tell them to upgrade their stuff. Tell them.
Okay, Busch Gardens, you need to upgrade your game. You need to update these free drinks. Free. F-R-E-E. Free. We're about to get some free drinks. Free of charge. Boom.
Actually, I get it myself.
Matt, what do you think about that Rapid Rise?
I've been on it before. James ain't never been on it. It's crazy. Vlog coming soon. Something
The Life
like
of Matthew.
Life of Matthew.
3 videos coming soon on the Life of Matthew
Yeah, if
channel.
I ever get time to upload them.
Shoot, they're done. He just needs to
I know,
upload it.
yeah, they are done.
I saw that. I saw the first person to see it.
See, first of all, my mom was.
First YouTube personality to see it.
Hey, I didn't get a drink.
So, we're at the water park.
White part?
Look at all that. We're going on that ride. We're going.
With that, James?
No. Doing an update.
Shoes off. Okay, guys.
We're here.
You're getting in the water with your shoes on?
Yeah.
Tyler!
Matt, update.
Oh, shit, I'm bring my
Dumbass almost fell. Yeah, almost fell. You saw that? Okay, I'm about to put my stuff down. I'll update you guys after I'm done and we're leaving. So, right now it's hot. Looks like a good time. Tyler, having fun? This shit's hot. It's hot. Samantha, what do you think?
Fine.
Shoot, you heard it first. Hey YouTube, we're back in a garden in Kentucky. That's my brand new whip. Got no keys. Yep, perfect gas mileage, perfect mileage. Yep. Check out the footage and photos right now. Matt, look at that. Train would be in here for like 5 minutes.
15 minutes. 15 minutes over this train.
About 15 minutes feels like.
Tell them about Tyler and Samantha. Go ahead.
I ain't gonna tell them about Tyler and Samantha.
They're the best friends we've ever had.
Yeah, best friends forever, you know.
Best
Yeah, Tyler and Samantha,
forever.
really nice, really clean room, super clean. I can eat off the floor. Clean.
Oh,
Woo!
can I?
You can.
I will then.
Shoot, this train is taking so long, we might as well just go to Tyler's house and eat off their floor.
I don't know why you hear that cop coming, because he ain't getting through there. You hear that cop coming this way? He ain't getting through, James.
Ooh.
No, he ain't getting through.
This train getting slower.
It's stopping, bro.
Why is it stopping? Let's go faster.
Oh, there it is.
Oh! See that? Wait.
He should have waited.
Stupid, ain't gonna let you. Bro, this car went by.
He should have waited, bro. You feel stupid now, don't you?
Feel real stupid when a
You
big
feel
ass
stupid.
in your way. I gotta censor the video for kids. Kitties.
Stupid. The train's in the way.
Stupid. The
They're
train's in the
turning
way.
around too.
Stupid.
They're
I'm not gonna let you get the chance. That's what the train said, Matt. It says, stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance. Matt has to use the bathroom. We're really close to Matt's face
I gotta poop.
because I got my telephoto
I
lens.
gotta poop.
He's gotta poop. Until Matt poops, we'll be back. We're now at the end of the video. 1 month later, I finally got this video edited. Literally came back from Florida July
the 26th. I left Florida July 19th, and this is literally video from a month, like not a month, from a week. Finally got it edited together today. Took me a while, but I edited it, and then something happened. Poof, gone. I had to re-edit everything, but all the songs and music are most of them are from the Tyler Creator Flower Boy album, The Beats, and the others are YouTube copyright free music. And the plain video was not mine because I did not get any window seats. Note to self, make sure I get window seats next time I travel. Hopefully I go to Kentucky again during winter to see some snow, not the dolphin. But yeah, for more YouTube videos, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully I can edit YouTube videos quicker in the future because NBA 2K20 is coming out and I'm kind of excited about that. Hopefully that turns out to be a good basketball game. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, drop that notification bell because I'm dropping videos at least once a month now. I'm getting back on the YouTube habit. I'm having fun again. Peace out, James Squad.